All right, so we just walked through that house. It's a project that we're buying. The house on the inside is clean, actually very well maintained. A few things on the exterior that I don't like, not that I don't like, but they need to be addressed. They patched the roof in an area, really noticeable, even though the roof is not leaking. It's old, so we're gonna have to replace the roof. And let's break down the numbers on this one. So this one we are buying for $105,000. It's a small house, only about 1,100 square feet, but it's a 3-bed, 2-bath, has a true master. I think when they move all their stuff out, we're gonna need to paint. So, it's not a big house, but when you paint, we're probably gonna spend every bit of $5 grand between labor and materials. So we're 110 in at that point. We're gonna replace the roof, which is gonna be probably another 7, probably call it 8. So we're gonna spend probably 8,000 on that roof. So at that point, we're 118 in, and we need to landscape. They don't have a driveway. So I don't think we're gonna pour a driveway, but we might do like a stone driveway. I think might be the best. It's probably the cheapest, not a big area. Might get a price to pave in a driveway actually. Not really sure yet on that. Not like a huge selling point, but it definitely helps. Could be an issue for financing too. I've heard that FHA could be an issue with a property with no driveway for whatever reason. Then the other thing is there's some trees out front. There's like a cluster of 3 trees right in front of the house that I don't like, and I think that people are not gonna like either. So I feel like we're gonna have to cut the trees down. Now they're not big, but it's probably gonna be every bit of another 2,000 to cut them down more or less, get them hauled away. So I think we're gonna be 125,000. They got closing costs, miscellaneous stuff that comes up. Overall, the house is clean on the inside. So let's say we're 130 in at that point. 130, I think we can sell that house for 185, 195 on the market. I didn't see any houses that sold under 200,000 in that neighborhood. So I think at the 185, we're definitely have to pay closing costs, realtors, all that stuff. It's a little tight, but I feel like we probably can make every bit of 30,000. I think that's pretty conservative, but I also think that's a fair number. If we make 30,000 on that deal, I think it's a good deal because we could be in and out of that house in probably 2 weeks. Maybe with everything. So 2 weeks, get it listed on week 3, professional photos. We got to power wash the whole house. And yeah, there is a broken window in the front too. We got to replace that. So all of those things, it's a pretty good deal. You saw walking through it, it's clean. There's some carpets that need to be either replaced or just professionally cleaned, but it's not a home run. I'm not obsessed with the deal, but I do like it and we need more deals. So I think it would be a solid flip, but stay tuned. We'll kind of walk through the process after we buy it and, kind of show you how it goes. So we'll see.